I am. Oh, hair's crazy. That didn't help. That's okay. I am speechless, I guess. I don't know. This is like just, it's crazy. It's like, I did not think there would be this many people. I should have known. It's China, but it was just like chaos. I mean, it was super organized. I won't say it's chaos, but like being in here is really cool. This is so cool.
It's crazy because behind you, like the building looks so big, and then all the people behind you look so tiny.
Oh yeah, the building's freaking huge. This whole place is massive.
We weren't sure if we were going to be able to get in because our tickets needed to be scanned by noon, and because the line was so long, we ended up being a few minutes after 12 o'clock, but luckily they still let us in.
Made it.
This is, I don't know, I knew that it was going to be cool, but it's crazy. I don't even know if the camera can accurately portray just how absolutely massive it is. The square is huge, the buildings are huge, they're tall, they're long, like everything just looks like it is 10 times bigger than what I imagined. I think that maybe we are in the main square now because this one is bigger than the last one. Not 100% sure though because I thought the last one was the main square because it was so big, but somehow this one is even bigger.
This is just insane. I just have no words. This is crazy.
This is probably going to be our worst YouTube video because we're both just speechless.
Yeah, I don't know what to say.
I think also this is like the first thing in China that we're seeing, and so it's like just the feeling of like, wow, we are seeing this and we are in China. Yeah, it's just like, it's like a lot to take in all at once, I think.
These bowls next to each palace are made of gold and iron, and they used to put water in them in case a fire happened, and they could use it and put the fire out in the palace. They said sometimes they would have a little fire under it during the winter to keep them from freezing over. So that was their fire department, which is pretty cool. Let me practicing my Chinese.
We found a little place over here that I think has like some water or snacks.
One of the orange and one pink. Cheers. Is that right? Cheers. Did I say it right? The palace dog was good. Had to get a dog. Didn't realize I was getting two.
Just melted in about 5 seconds.
I can't really say much, my mouth is full. I bit off more than I could chew. See, I think mine's a... Ooh, yeah.
What is yours?
I think like a pink bird.
Oh, cool.
Some type of pink falcon. Mmm. That's good. Mmm, that's real good. Nothing like a popsicle in the palace. With our tickets, we paid $2 extra to go to the treasure gallery, so I think that's what this is, right?
I think so.
Okay.
If I read the sign correctly.
Okay. This is pretty cool. This is underneath one of the palaces. That's probably one of like the most preserved parts, considering the brain never gets to it. Can't say too much. If you could live in the Hall of Joyful Longevity, would you? With me?
Yeah?
Or what about the whole palace?
Yeah, it's really big. I think I would get lost.
Yeah, I don't know, it's kind of big. I think it's almost too big.
It's interesting because the courtyards start off really big, and then as you go through, it starts to get smaller and like narrower courtyards. I mean, they're still pretty big though, but not quite as big as they were at the beginning, but everything is still like super intricate detail. Do you know what this is?
Yeah, this is the Hall of Longevity.
Oh, okay.
This is where you come if you want to live a longevity life and youthful and longevity life. You can tell the outside, you can tell the inside looks a lot older than the outside. I think they've renovated the outside probably and kept it up, but then the inside looks almost original.
Yeah, this is so cool. Beautiful. The colors and the detail.
就像你这5天没上课，但是一点都不影响你考100分。不会就5天而已。宝宝，你看一下。宝宝，你看一下。
These walls are massive. How tall do you think they are?
Probably 30 feet. 7 meters for the people and not U.S. people, I guess.
I'm pretty proud that you knew that.
I think that's right.
I'd
8 meters.
I think maybe we can go back in this way. I think that is the Imperial Garden, maybe. So we'll see if we can cut back around and get in this
that
way.
is, but
Sounds cool.
Man, that's like, it's like almost trippy.
Yeah.
Because it just looks like it goes forever. This is the Imperial Gardens. This looks like
not quite the quiet, tranquil gardens or park.
Yeah, that one's bad. It's probably nice when it's like closed and no one's here. I mean, it's still nice.
Then we wouldn't be here.
Yeah, that's true.
Everything kind of splits on either side, so you can just go on the side that there's not a tour group and it's like way less crowded.
See, okay, is that coral or like what is that? You know?
Would it be coral here?
No, I don't know. See, it has like the holes like it's coral, but I confirm that. This is not coral, it's Tahu rocks. I'm not sure if it's real or fake, but it looks like coral. I've been practicing my Duolingo. I can tell you that this means your visit ends here. Oh. I was looking for you.
Alright, are we ready to exit?
Yes, your visit ends here. Visit is over.
Man, I wonder how many steps we've walked in here.
My guess
What's
is
your guess?
8,000.
9,700.
Man, we're almost at 10K.
Almost at 10,000.
10K
yeah.
steps.
That shows just how massive it is. That just within, I don't know, a few hours, we walked 10,000 steps. It's a huge place.
Hey, what if you imagine living here and having to go from one side to the other?
It'd be like, I'll leave now and come see you tomorrow.
Yeah, that's cool. That lady taking a picture of us. I don't know. I think maybe she was. She said, you better get on this bus right now.
Yeah, not totally sure what's going on, but there's a lot of buses and people with microphones and speakers. Probably something about the bus, but
All yelling at people.
yeah, that is all for the Forbidden City. We hope that you enjoyed our tour around, and see you next one.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
啊，我扫了2件，别扫手机了。扫手机这儿啊，微信也行。哎，那你扫我吧，扫我小冰棍了。顾客您好，这边也有，好几个冰柜呢，这儿，这一绿的。急灯了。给你写了啊，给我了，您。